Hello everyone, my name is Risa Hong. This is my project Office on Demand. It's a design proposal of a system that enables employees to customize their workspace based on preference and control individual micro-office environment to improve overall workspace with more flexibility for multi-generations well-beings and special needs. People spending more and more time than years in their office during different stages of life. But nowadays, office design are very generic. It's not flexible enough for accommodating the different individuals' demands and comfort. Also, based on Capital One annual work environment survey in 2019, adaptability and flexibility are the two key elements showing in the survey that employees desire most. But what do those two words mean? Can a generic office setting fit into different generations' needs in the office right now? Based on the research, workplace design contributes to mental health and well-being. Existing knowledge suggests that workplace design can influence mental health via several different factors like light, privacy regulations, and so on. In the same paragraph, the author also states that designing workspace will benefit all employees, not only those with mental health problems, but still, mental health issues are diverse. Therefore, design interventions that work for one condition might not be appropriate for another. Furthermore, according to other research, they also suggest that workplace layout and dimensions can affect employees' mental health and well-being. They also indicate that the workplace environment in the majority of industry right now might be unsafe and unhealthy. This including poorly designed workstations, unsuitable furniture, lack of ventilations, inappropriate lighting, noise, and lack of personal protective equipment. How can design help to accommodate different individuals from different generations with different demands in the office space to increase the overall employees' well-being during work? If the whole architecture can be flexible and changeable, this gives the potentials to the architecture itself be nimble enough to meet individual employees' desired autonomy and needs to their well-being for both mental and physical health. Based on the HR service group, employees in the office nowadays can be classified into 5 different groups according to their age: traditionalists, baby boomers, Generation X, Y, and Z. Furthermore, from their growing experience, background, knowledge, we can also conclude that different generations have different preferences when they work and how they work. I'm sure right now is a case study did in UK with knowledge worker in 3 different generations, whether the multi-generation prefer different work setting to undertake knowledge work and facilitate knowledge transfer. It resorts that different generations have different preference on the office setting, where they have higher productivity and concentrations, and how they believe they perform to others better in different settings. Using the 5 generation statement as my persona and go deeper into differentiate each generation needs and desire to develop a better environment for overall employees, my whole approach will across products, interior, and architecture realm. Starting from what office feature different generation desire most to less, and using this information to design my system. The first design outcome I have is customized workspace. The system will start from the user interface that can let employees choose their own preference to create their own office based on their needs. The information will be sent to factory for manufacturing. This is how the manufacture process works. Using the 3D printer and robot helper to create customized office spaces module that can be changeable to fit different needs. From skeletons as wall and floors, mechanical equipment including lights, air, thermal control to furniture serve as a whole unit to meet individual needs and comfort for their physical and mental wellness. I took the baby boomer and millennials for example based on their preference and what their office module possibly looks like. Also, the module sample can be changed into different programs by combining to other units. Then the second design outcome is individual facade mechanical system. With the same applications, employees can change their microenvironment for thermal comfort, light, sound, privacy easily. The individual facade and mechanical system can also benefit from the special needs and situations like the COVID-19 right now. With the individual ventilations can provide great and safe air quality, and the movable facade can contain the microenvironment quickly and provide protection to prevent the virus to spread to others and causing cluster spreading in the office. I believe the flexibility of this new system hopefully can create a greater variety to fit each individual's needs for their well-being, improve their working environment, and also be changeable easily in a short time when they have other needs and demands. And here is my design and outcome. And then the reference. Thank you for listening.